Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2013 Chevy Equinox and I will show you which fuse to check in case your blower motor failed and is not working. This video will apply to Chevy Equinoxes made from 2010 all the way up to 2017. Okay, so the fuse you need will be located in a small fuse box in the passenger cabin, just next to the passenger's left foot behind this cover. To remove the cover, just pull it straight towards yourself and now you will get access to all of the fuses. On the back side of the cover you will also have a small fuse diagram. And the fuse you want to check, it's in the bottom left corner and it's a 40 amp fuse. So this is your front blower motor. Now, if this fuse proves to be good, then you'll have to do a bit deeper diagnostics and you'll have to look at the blower motor itself or the possible wiring issue. Now, keep in mind, if your blower motor is working only on a specific fan speed, then most likely you have a problem with the blower motor resistor. But if the blower motor is not working at all, then it's either the fuse or the blower motor itself. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.